In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply an Excel formula in Power Automate Desktop. This is a handy skill to have in your toolkit, especially if you're looking to streamline repetitive tasks and maximize efficiency. So, let's dive right in and break down this process step by step. First things first, you need to launch Excel. In Power Automate Desktop, this can be done easily with the Launch Excel action. What this does is open your specific workbook, making it ready for any changes or additions you need to make. Make sure that you have the correct path to your Excel file, as this will ensure that there are no mishaps or errors at the very start of the process. Next, let's move on to writing the formula in your worksheet. To do this, you'll use the Write to Excel worksheet action. This is where you insert your formula into a specific cell within your workbook. For instance, if you're calculating the sum of a column of numbers from A1 to A10, you would use the formula XSUM A1 A10. You need to specify where this formula should live in your worksheet, such as cell B1 for this example. Be careful to make sure that your references are accurate. Otherwise, your calculations could end up being incorrect. A quick tip here is to double-check that the data range and cell references in your formula align with your actual workbook setup. This ensures that you get the desired calculation outcomes. If needed, you can always replace the formula with one that fits your specific use case. Once you've got that formula set up in your desired cell, your next step is to save and close the workbook. This is crucial because it preserves any changes you've made, ensuring that when you or others open the workbook later, all your hard work is right there, ready to go. In Power Automate Desktop, use the Save Excel action to save any modifications. Then, follow up with the Close Excel action to properly shut down the workbook without losing any information. In summary, using Power Automate Desktop to apply an Excel formula is a straightforward process that begins with launching your Excel workbook, writing your formula into the appropriate cell, and then saving and closing the workbook. By following these detailed steps, you'll increase your productivity and time management skills, making your workflow more efficient. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher, and remember that practice is key to mastering these types of automation techniques. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your automation ventures.